everybody, welcome back to my channel. Another month and another Look for Less challenge. A challenge I love. This challenge is hosted every month by Yami from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host this month is NataLee from Design to the Nines. I'm going to leave the link below in the description box to both their channels. I always say the same: please pay a visit to their channels because you will be surprised and you will probably subscribe immediately to both of them. They are really amazing. Very original and creative ideas, a lot of things that you can copy and do yourself to enhance the decor at your home. And I'm also going to leave the link as usual, of the playlist with all the videos of all the participants in this month challenge. So please also watch those videos. Again, you will find inspiration in each and every video. The Look for Less challenge is all about finding a piece of decor that you like but is kind of out of your budget and try to recreate it for less money. This month I found this candle holder that is carved in wood and can be used not only as candle holder. As you can see, there is a succulent there. Succulent? I never know how to pronounce that word, sorry. It sells for $12 plus almost $9 in shipping, which makes like $21. Okay, I can't recreate it in wood, but I found another way to recreate it for less money, with a plunger. Well, you know what a plunger is, but when I went to Dollar Tree to buy it, they only had one. So I bought this little one that is for the sink, for you to see and have an idea. I think you already have the idea, but just in case, what I did is, after removing the handle of this one, I just, it's hard with the smaller one, turned it inside out. Of course, I'm not going to get the same effect with this one because it's smaller, but for you to see how I got this shape. Then I wanted, as I couldn't give it a wooden look, I thought that I was going to give it a stone look. So I bought this Rust-Oleum stone texture finish. There is another one that is, at least I liked more than this one, but it was much more expensive. This was the least expensive one. I think I paid like $6 for this one, and I gave it like 4 or 5 coats because of a mistake that I'm going to explain you right now. A mistake I made. And it's still kind of full. I think it's like full to here because it's really heavy. So it's worth the investment. And I have planned another Look for Less item that I'm going to recreate using the leftover. The mistake I made was to apply that texture paint right on the plunger. As it is made of rubber, it didn't stick. So I was kind of in despair, and I remember that I had this is clear durable top coat that I use. I mainly use this when I can't find matte paint and I had to use satin or even worse gloss for things that I want to have a matte finish, because this is matte, dead flat. It's really, really matte. So after painting with, and this is a tip, painting with a glossy paint, you give it a coat, just one coat of this top coat, and you can see that it turns matte. But it's a top coat, so I thought it may help for the paint to adhere. So after 2 coats with the stone texture, I gave it a coat of the top coat, and it was such a difference. I immediately, after I let it dry for 24 hours, the top coat, and I immediately gave it another coat of the stone texture, and it was what I should have done from the very beginning. It adhered perfectly. It's always a little bit sticky, but doesn't matter. It doesn't stick to your table, nothing like that. Just the touch is a little bit sticky. So, in fact, this is the finished product, because when you buy the original one, you only get the candle holder. You don't get the succulent or anything else, or the candle like in this small picture. I don't know if you can see it. But I wanted to show you options. You can use it as a trinket for rings or the keys or whatever. You can use it as a candle holder. In this case, what I did, I bought this candle holder from Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use it upside down. I'm going to place the candle here and some succulents all around, like this. And some of the succulents came in this little, they are from Dollar Tree, of course, these little pots, and some others came with a kind of a pick. And I'm going to add these fillers, these mini orbs, that are also from Dollar Tree, like so. You can add more, less, more succulents, whatever you want, but I really like how it looks this way. This is an option. Another option, you can add, as in the original, a succulent in the center. I thought I had a larger one. Let me look around. Yes, I have more here. These are larger one, also from Dollar Tree, and you can see you can add one like this. You can add stones, you can add these orbs all around. They are from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I told you. I have more here. Like this one, and this one, and the possibilities are endless. Just let your imagination fly, and I think it's a great idea. It's a very original piece of decor that you can pay for the original if you want, $21, but I think that for, let's say, 3, 4, I can't count the succulents or the candle, because comparing to the original you only get the base, so it's like $4 or $5, no more than that, and then whatever you want to add to it. And I think it's a great deal. I really like it. I like this version, the version with the candle, and that's how I'm going to keep it. I'm going to glue the candle later, but I really like it this way. Where is the other? Here it is. With these little things. I'm going to add one more here. Here it is. Yeah, I have to glue the candle. So, I don't know what you think of it, but I like it. I really like it. And this is it for this, the Look for Less challenge, sorry. Thanks again to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Don't forget to visit their channels. Sorry, what's going on with me today? Oh my god, sorry about that. And please, please, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.